Looking for a way to enjoy crispy, restaurant-quality fried foods without leaving your house? The Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer offers a generous 19-cup, 4.7-quart oil capacity, letting you fry up to 12 cups of your favorite foods in one go. Whether you're cooking chicken wings, fries, or onion rings, this fryer handles large batches so you can feed the whole family or host friends with ease. What sets this deep fryer apart is its thoughtful design that keeps your kitchen clean and safe. The vented lid prevents messy oil splatters, while the clear view window lets you monitor cooking without lifting the lid. Plus, the basket hooks make draining oil hassle-free and mess-free. You get 3 chrome-plated baskets, 1 large and 2 half-size, giving you the flexibility to fry different foods at once or smaller portions when needed. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to removable parts. The heating element detaches easily, and the enamel-coated oil tank, lid, and baskets are dishwasher safe. That means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your crispy results. Safety is a priority too. The breakaway power cord prevents tipping if snagged, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Performance-wise, the powerful 1800-watt immersed heating element heats oil quickly and evenly, so your food fries to perfection in minutes. The adjustable temperature dial ranges from 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ready light signals when the oil reaches the ideal heat. This precise control helps you avoid undercooked or burnt food, delivering consistent results every time. Hamilton Beach Deep Fryers are known for their versatility. Some models can even fit a whole chicken, making them perfect for a variety of meals. However, keep in mind this model takes up a fair amount of counter space. Also, the magnetic breakaway cord is a smart safety feature, though replacement cords aren't standard and may require extra attention if needed. Many users appreciate the large basket options compared to other models that only include 2 small baskets. This one's a clear winner if you want more cooking capacity and convenience. Just a heads up, oil vapors can spread during frying, so operate in a well-ventilated area and consider using a thermometer with a long probe to monitor oil temperature accurately. Adding a metal or carbon grease filter to the vent can help manage odors and keep your kitchen fresh. If you're tired of waiting in line for takeout or dealing with messy frying at home, the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer offers a practical solution. It delivers fast, even cooking with safety features and easy cleanup that make frying less of a chore. Worth a look if you want to bring that crispy, golden finish to your favorite fried dishes without the hassle. If that's you, consider making this deep fryer part of your kitchen lineup. It's a solid choice for anyone who values quality, capacity, and safety in one package. Try it when you're ready to take your home frying to the next level. No more waiting. No more mess, just great food.